Hello lovelies. So I'm just doing a quick haul video today because one, I've been on a spending freeze since long before December due to moving house, and two, I managed to grab some bargains in end of financial year sales. So I thought I'd show you what I got. Now I did try to do this video like last week, but there was a lot of banging and clanging going on from upstairs, and yes, so I thought I would try this again and show you what I got. So my first one, which is just happens to be sitting here, I got so Natalie May Scrapbooking had 20% off end of financial year, so I couldn't help but grab a few things. Now what I love about Nat is you always get a cute little card. This is new. This I love. This is going to go in my journal, and it's just a thank you, which is really cool. So first thing I got, I also got the paint for this, but I've already put it away. So I got the Dina Wakley Media Rouge in the paint and the gloss spray because I think this is a fabulous colour and I really wanted to add this to my collection. I actually think I might need to work on getting some of the other ones too, maybe, but this I really wanted. I got a Pilot Pintor pen from the clearance section, mostly because I didn't have this colour. So that's going to go in my paint pen stash right there. I have been looking and trying to get a really good white pigment ink for a while. I do a lot of stamping on my mixed media pages in black ink, but I wanted to start using some white as well, so I grabbed that. These I'm very excited about. These are from the new Art by Marlene collection. So these are the quirky people, which are really cool, and I've seen a lot of these used in examples, and I'm really looking forward to using them. And I have just about every sticky quotes book that Marlene has released, and this one is, they're a little smaller than the others, I think, the font size, but you get 21 sheets, and each one comes in white, black and pink. So I thought that was pretty cool. All in Create also have some little quotes as well. I like using these on my art journal pages as focal points, so I have a good collection of them. This I'm excited about too. So Nat May does her own products. So she's got stencil stamps. These are new. These are the alphabet stamps that she has. This is the small grunge. I really want the large grunge, so I think that might have to be in my next order. But I'm very excited to give them a go. This is a Nat May stencil that I love so much. It turns out I bought it twice. So I already have this in my stash. I actually used it in an art journal page just the other day. So I might maybe have to make a giveaway or something and give that and a few other things away. We are coming up on 5,000 subscribers, so maybe that'll be something we can do. Dina Wakley stencil. I don't even think this is a new one, but I know I didn't have it and I thought it was really cool. So this is the Mosaic Circle. I think this is new from the new range. This is the collage paper. This is the jumbled letters one. Now, the reason I'm laughing to myself is because I recently just cleaned up some of my drawers and I found a stack of Dina Wakley collage paper, so I'm really going to have to start using it. And these were actually a lot bigger than I thought. This is the Tight Ledgers Set 1 from the Dina Wakley Media Collection. Now, I've been seeing on Dina's examples that she had these quotes, and as I've just said, I love using quotes in my art journal pages and things, and I couldn't figure out where they're coming from, and then I realized they're these. She just cuts them up, so I'm very excited to use those. So that was my Nat May haul, and then I also got, oh, dropped my spray. Okay, so I also got some things from Kitaholic kits. Now, Kitaholic kits had 50% off store wide, so I went a little, not too bad. I didn't do too bad. So first off, like, this is all backwards because I've already gone through all this. So first off, I got some things from the Play All Day Girl collection from Echo Park. Now I got this with Ruby in mind. I got the 12x12 sticker sheet, I got the chipboard, and I got the sticker books. I'm loving sticker books at the moment, and yeah, so I thought this would be cute for some layouts and some Project Life bits and pieces. But yes, yeah, so I grabbed that. I got these cute little Color Vibe foam alphas to match because I thought that would go quite nicely together. These are some numbers. Now these will work really well for my December daily. It is from a Simple Stories Christmas collection, I think from maybe last year. So it's all the way up to 31. This was in my cart for a while and I love this. And you know, 50% off, how can I pass it up? I just love the circles. So I'll be using that on a page soon. Just some little die cut pieces. We play a lot of, have a lot of game nights during the holidays, so they will come in handy. Also, because whenever I need them, I have like almost $60 for one of these, so 50% off. You better believe I grabbed one. This is the Big Pack Design A. You get 60, and this is what I use for my Project Life. I use this, and I just use regular 12x12s. That's it. So 50% off. I grabbed one. It was also 50% off. Now, Kitaholic Kits is an Australian kit club kit subscription thing. And all their past kits, they load on the website that you can buy. And it was 50% off past kits. So anything not including 2023 kits. And I found the September 2022 kit and it was just really up my alley. I love the colors. And hear the thumping? That's the baby running upstairs. It was worse the other day. So I got, I'm using these a lot in Project Life, so I was happy they were in there. Now, I haven't been a big flowers person, but I have seen some really cute layouts with flower clusters that I think would be really, really good for some pages of Ruby, so they're going to come in handy. And also, these stickers were in it, which is really quite cute. Some doilies and the papers. Now, the papers caught my attention because of the colours and things. Like, I love these. I just love the bright colours. But yeah, so this was a past Kitaholic kit. And, oh, that's cute. You'll definitely see me cutting some of those. And I hate fussy cutting, but, oh, look at that. That's cute. And this is that. That's the flip side. I just love these. The colours are really nice. So, yes, definitely something. So, yeah. That was my Kitaholics haul, and like I said, and this I forgot last time too. I needed a new black mist. I have run out of my Dilutions one, and this was this, so I thought I'd give that a try. It's the Kaiser Craft one. So that was my Kitaholics. Now, the only other thing I wanted to mention, I did do also, but this wasn't on sale. I got a few things from Scrapping Clearly. Not a lot, just a few. I needed tape. I needed double-sided tape, and I forgot to order it in my last two orders. I ordered the wrong size. I need the 6mm. I don't like the 3mm, but anyway. And while I was there, I grabbed an old stamp set. I believe, I don't even know how old, but I know I didn't have it, so I grabbed that. And, you know, $30 was a great price point. And then in the clearance section was a lot of papers, so I grabbed some paper. I've already used one for a scrapbook layout. But yeah, how awesome is this? I love that. And then I did get some of the boys ones too. I love a good geometric pattern. I got some glitter cardstock because I was intending to punch out some little hearts and things. This is another one of the boys fort. Not so much that side, but I got this side. If you're new to the channel, I have two boys, a 15-year-old and 11-year-old, and Ruby is my 2-year-old daughter. So I have a lot of boy collections. I'm starting to get a few more girly ones because I do a lot of pictures of Ruby. This I love. I don't know how I'm going to use it, but I love it. This side I love too. It's just, I just love these backgrounds. So this is from the Chamel box of crayons, and these are on clearance as well. And then the last thing that I wanted to show you, so I found this awesome sketchbook from Kmart for $4. Now, I'm definitely going to get a couple more of these because I've already started to use it. I think this would be awesome. Like, I carry around what I call a board book when I'm, when I'm out and about. It's not an art journal. It's just sort of a brain dump book if I just want to write something down, if I wanted to practice some drawing with some paint pens, some collage, anything really. It's just another book. And I thought this would make a good version of that. But I also I think this would be a really nice journal. I journal every day. Well, I tend to journal every day. I keep a journal for the year. I tend to keep multiple journals. And I thought this would be good. And for $4, like it's 96 pages. It's 100 and something. I did keep the thing, but I can't find it. But it's really good paper. This is where I was just colour swatching the rouge. I found the difference between the paint and the gloss very, very different. I love the gloss colour more than the paint, I have to admit. But yeah, like I was just a little thank you letter, just a bit of this, bit of that. So yeah, you know, just this is going to be my new dump it book, my new board book, I think, you know, just a little. But yeah, I'm definitely going to go back and get more. This was $4 from Kmart. They have it in a pink and a blue. So I'm definitely going to go get a couple more of them because I think I'm going to use these quite often. So yes, that's it from me. That was it for my most recent haul. Well, the only haul I've done in a long time. But I do love to see haul videos. Let me know if you like seeing what other people buy as well. I love seeing what people are buying in specials and scrapbook stores and just, you know, see what they're getting out of the new collections and things. So always lots of fun. But yeah, let me know in the comments below. Excuse me. Let me know in the comments below if you like seeing hauls as well. That's it from me. Thanks for watching and I'll be back real soon. Bye for now.